What is an adverb? Adverb, noun, is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb, expressing manner, place, time or degree. A word that can modify a phrase, clause or sentence.
You know that you and only you can change your life. It is time to make your dreams a reality in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your life, in your working place, and get your new job, in your life. In this video, you will learn little by little these new things. Don't need to rush yourself. Now let's see. To boldly go, where you have never gone before.
An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. It qualifies or modifies a verb. The man ran quickly. In the following examples, the adverb is in bold and the verb that it modifies is in italics. John speaks loudly. How does John speak? Afterwards, she smoked a cigarette. When did she smoke? Mary lives locally. Where does Mary live? But adverbs can also modify adjectives. Tara is really beautiful. Or even other adverbs. It works very well. Look at these examples. Modify an adjective. He is really handsome. How handsome is he? That was extremely kind of you. Modify another adverb. She drives incredibly slowly. How slowly does she drive? He drives extremely fast. Note that adverbs have other functions too. They can modify a whole sentence. Obviously, I can't know everything. Modify a prepositional phrase. It's immediately inside the door. Now, let's see an exercise. 1. An adverb is a word that can tell us more about a noun, a verb. 2. Adverbs can also modify adjectives and other adverbs, pronouns and other nouns. 3. Our team will win the game easily. Which is the adverb? Will easily. 4. Which are adverbs describing how someone worked? Quickly, slowly, badly, quick, slow, bad. 5. Which are adverbs describing when someone worked? Often, yesterday, afterwards, morning, afternoon, weekend. 6. Which are adverbs describing where someone worked? Office, factory, home, locally, here, everywhere. 7. The boys were really dirty. The adverb really is modifying an adjective, a verb. 8. They spoke incredibly quickly. The adverb incredibly is modifying a verb, another adverb. 9. Cheetahs run really fast, but they tire quickly. This sentence has 2 adverbs, 3 adverbs. 10. Suddenly, this loud noise made everyone jump. The adverb suddenly is modifying a whole sentence. 2 different verbs. Correct answers. 1. A verb. 2. Adjectives and other adverbs. 3. Easily. 4. Quickly, slowly, badly. 5. Often, yesterday, afterwards. 6. Locally, here, everywhere. 7. An adjective. 8. Another adverb. 9. 3 adverbs. 10. A whole sentence.
Tell us, in the comments below, which one you feel is better for you. Don't worry, we will do the changes to answer you. To sound more native-like, practice saying what you just heard. This will increase your skills when you will have to talk to other people. Remember, the vowels will vibrate the sound waves, and the consonants will put a stop or a pause in the sound waves and mark a cadence for you to follow this musicality that will be created in your sayings. This way, you can create the syllables to strengthen your message, either to inform or to impose your arguments in your talking. This way you can control your conversations and impress your audience. Go in the description to have the link to the Kanda Smart Mind website and go deeper into your study to reach your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Stay tuned. Bye for now.